What's up guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be reviewing the Westin in downtown Nashville. This hotel is in a decent location, about a 10-minute walk from Broadway. When arriving, you'll be greeted under a massive awning in the driveway, and immediately upon walking in, you'll notice that this hotel is grand. Chandeliers are everywhere, marble. It's a fantastic looking hotel. Upon checking in, we were given a few cards with our room keys, 3 of them for free breakfast each day, and then a $30 resort credit. We were in a 2-queen room and the details of the room are great. There's a gym here with an indoor pool, and the gym is honestly not bad. It could use a little bit more free weights, but it's much bigger and better than a lot of other hotel gyms. There are 3 restaurants on the property. The first is in the lobby where you get breakfast, called Decker and Dyer. Second is the L27 Rooftop Lounge, which unfortunately when I went up there to record, it was closed due to the hours. There is a pool up there. I heard it's pretty nice. Lastly, there is Oak Steakhouse, which looks fantastic from looking in, but again, I did not eat there as I ate on Broadway. Moving on to rating the whole experience. For the first category of location, this is an 8 out of 10. The Westin is a good spot, but not a great spot. It's a good spot because you do not hear the music from outside your window when you're trying to sleep. But the unfortunate part is it's a 10-minute walk to Broadway, and it's not a terrible walk, but if it's cold or raining, or if you drank too much, it's kind of a pain in the butt to walk up there, and it's especially because it's uphill. For the service, I thought it was a 9 out of 10. Everyone was incredibly friendly at the reception and breakfast place, but the one thing I thought was a little annoying was on the first day they did not service our room. It wouldn't be anything, but they had to drop off the cot in the room, which they obviously saw the beds and everything unmade, which at that point I thought they would have realized to service it since we did not have the DND side on. For the food, I thought it was a 6 out of 10. I can only speak to the breakfast as I did not have lunch or dinner, but for the breakfast each day, I had 2 eggs the first day, French toast the second day, and the pancakes the third day. Eggs were covered in oil. The French toast was decent. The pancakes were a bit dry. I know I'm being critiquing heavily here, but for the prices that were being charged for the food, it should have been a bit better. Also, thankfully, it was free due to the status perk, but if I were paying that cash price, I don't think I'd be too happy. Lastly, for the room, I thought it was a 9 out of 10. The room is spectacular. It is truly pretty. I found it irritating though that the sink in the bathroom was clogged, causing the water to drain super slow, and it was also irritating that the building was lit up green on the outside. And this obviously is not a big detail, but in the middle of the night when it's shining in through the cracks of the curtains, it's not obviously a big issue, but it was kind of weird seeing how it looked like it was light out at 3 in the morning. But either way, the Westin Nashville scored a 32 out of 40 on the unofficial Finest of Life score sheet. And how was this booked? Well, cash rates are anywhere from $250 to $700 a night. It just depends on what weekend you're going. But luckily for this booking, we paid with points, so it didn't cost anything in cash. And I think it was around 65,000 points a night. All in all, what do you think of the video? Have you stayed in Westin Nashville? Are you looking to travel to Nashville anytime soon? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.